How do HTTP to AND optimize CDN performance? Have you ever wondered how websites load so quickly? The secret often lies in how data travels across the internet. Today, we will look at how HTTP version 2 and HTTP version 3 improve the performance of content delivery networks, often called CDNs. Both HTTP version 2 and HTTP version 3 enhance the way data is sent between servers and users. This means less waiting around for web pages to load. One of the biggest improvements is something called multiplexing. This allows multiple data streams to travel at the same time over a single connection. Imagine being able to send several packages at once instead of one by one. This reduces the time it takes to load resources on a web page. HTTP version 2 uses Transmission Control Protocol as its transport method. It can handle multiple requests and responses over one connection. This is a big step up from the older HTTP version 1.1. It cuts down on delays by avoiding the need for multiple connections. However, there is a small hiccup with HTTP version 2. If a packet of data gets lost, it can slow down everything because all streams have to wait for that lost packet to be resented. Now, HTTP version 3 takes things further by using QUIC, which is a different transport method that uses user datagram protocol. This means that if one stream has a problem, it does not hold up the others. This is a game changer, especially in networks where data loss is common. HTTP version 3 also speeds up the process of establishing secure connections. It has a feature called zero round-trip time, which lets data start flowing right away on repeated connections. Plus, it can keep connections active even if a user switches from Wi-Fi to cellular data. For CDNs, these improvements mean faster loading times for web pages and better handling of many requests at once. HTTP version 3 is particularly good for delivering content over long distances or busy networks. This is often the case for CDNs that serve users worldwide. When CDNs use HTTP version 2 and HTTP version 3, they can significantly reduce the time it takes for the first piece of data to arrive. They also improve the overall speed of web pages by making better use of available bandwidth. This leads to a smoother experience for users, even when networks are not at their best. In practice, CDNs that adopt these newer protocols can provide a more reliable service. They work well alongside other optimizations like smart caching and load balancing. This combination maximizes the speed and reliability of content delivery, making the internet a faster place for everyone.